Caveman show you how make good movie edit. Real big crash, fake car, make it look good. No danger, no broken bone, only rock solid editing. Real good stuff. Every magic start with big idea. Caveman think big idea. Car go fast, car flip, look really cool. But caveman say, cost too much shiny thing. What caveman do? Fake it. Many movie use tiny car, big movie, tiny car, miniature. Caveman do same. No shame. Small car, big brain. Step 1. Find bendy road. Bring camera. Good light. Film silence. Say enough. Now, cavemen have clean background shot. Road where action will happen. Step 2. Drive car. Slow. No fast yet. Caveman no one fix. Real dent.
Action!
Line. Step 3. Go back home to cave. Set up green rock. Match angle to background. Important. Take mini car and throw. Throw again. When perfect, grunt loudly. Caveman know it good. Step 4.
Hey, what's up guys? So now we're just gonna hop into DaVinci Resolve, do some pretty simple editing. We're gonna remove that green screen, put in our car, add a little bit of plant life, some vegetation, and then this is a simple cut, mask, and blur, and we're on our way. We're just about done.
Caveman have problem. Black solid round car. No look so good, but caveman learn. Click button computer, make look good. You might say, it fake. Caveman say you fake.
Okay, that was good. What I need you to do is you're acting like a little too crazy right now, okay? So tone it down just a tiny bit. Can you do that? I need you to tone it down.
What?
Just a little bit. Oh, okay. Hey, look, you don't have to.
Now you go. Make big movie. Make dream come true. Change world. But no drive fast. That not VFX. That bad life choice.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, freaking Eli gets me out. He's like, put on this freaking Neanderthal costume. This is BS. I look like a freaking idiot.